habaya day bat kabam sap kili iba arden mentagasngi bat habaya day ro bat kaloka yukta iba arden ilah kili UCM ha kan wakurukom ukran sapang kajing safe ne penduna ya kajing lut put kapisa pajba bat la wengkam no ya kilaingut kinong tre loka yukta pade une uju ubro ubalatung pad ya kisispa nyubusan ngut kita kibro ki baniarap kam ya ka politik bat daki paulak hapen lut chipnai kadau kalong kumban ya keren komik kilaingut kinong tray light luit loka yukta kimpat long ai bat kine ki spahngut ki bala subu substitute daka sorkar habaya day bat kajing penon kambah klaya kabor ne kajing lek don bor ya urid uriaru kalong hikum kabamsap ong syu iba arden pila ban isi yanga ne ben yanga henry wat mut pat ya ki pajba ki bala jed yangi habadon ki kam bangi ki parai mel ngidon kabor ban ya perkhat lang pen ban kila susim no tang ya ka konsen jong ki katto katne ken mau habaya day bat ka kam jong upajba pimla ban ken kayangi kiba urid uriahi ulajet
of the problem, sir. I've already explained. When we talk about corruption, sir, we need to know that the meaning of corruption does not confine to monetary terms only, but has a wider connotation. It also means any action which does not conform to the rules, procedures and practices is also an act of corruption. Misusing and abusing of power is also an act of corruption. So, I don't want to say this, but I was left with no option. So, without any iota of doubt and with conviction, I can say that I've never come across this leadership such as this, which is so vindictive and corrupt. So it has been a normal practice that the Block Development Monitoring Council BDMC in the block level is to be reconstituted every 5 years. And the names of these members used to be recommended by the incumbent MLA. These committees, as we all know, is a direct link between the blocks and the local representatives. So, however, till today, the government has not approved the recommendations made by the incumbent MLAs in many of the constituencies belonging to the opposition, and instead allow the committees to function comprising of members recommended by the previous MLAs. So I feel this is not fair. I feel this is not fair because we are duly elected by the people. You may not like me, you may dislike me, but you cannot insult the people who have voted us as MLA. So, had it been a personal matter, I would have remained silent, but I will not allow no one to insult the people who have elected us to power.